Hey there, YouTube. This is Ronnie, Vance Life MTB. Welcome. We're at round 2 of the U.S. National Downhill Series, also combined with the Downhill Southeast. We're at Mountain Creek in New Jersey, and I'm stoked. The weather's beautiful. The gondolas are fast. I'm ready. We're going up for first round of practice. Haven't walked the track yet. For now, we're heading up. I'm stoked. Hopefully we have a good time.
Ronnie.
That Tommy? Oh. How is that happening?
Same, dude.
I keep like getting off balance right here. Everyone's fire line is not going fire.
Yeah, and there's Hank.
Yeah, bud!
Hey, I just got my answer.
Yeah, bud! Yeah! Yeah, walk.
Was Karen to reach out to them?
I've already done that.
Yeah, okay.
So I only got part of it because when I saw you go down, so what happened is, so you nose cased it, and then your front wheel washed.
Yeah, you got bucked. You were right.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
I know.
Landed on that shoulder.
All right, guys, let's get him up and in.
All right.
That's just so annoying. Ready?
On my count, 3, 2, 1.
Thank you, Mountain Creek EMS.
Breathe, buddy, breathe.
So day 2 has been quite eventful so far. Day 1, well, I mean day 1 was too. So I had 2 crashes in practice. I've been forgetting to run the GoPro. I don't have the GoPro on right now. 2 crashes in practice that were pretty small, but I kind of banged up my elbow a bit. And then I was coaching a local kid, kind of helping him get up to speed. And I managed to crash in the very first turn in some moon dust like an idiot and really bruised up my elbow. So I went to the shop and bought elbow pads because I don't normally run them. But and then today I've decided to get a track walk in and watched a local or another fast kid go for the big gap on the track and absolutely die. He just caught a weird buck off the lip, tucked his front into one of the pockets in the rocks, and had a bad crash. He was definitely in a lot of pain. I think he probably broke the collarbone, maybe some other stuff. But so yeah, my mindset going into today is get down the track comfortably, smooth, without hitting the ground, ramp up towards that qualifying run so that I can do my qualifying run clean and hopefully get in the top 8 for the broadcast. But there's a lot of pro riders since this is one of the U.S. Pro Nationals, so yeah, let's see what we can do.
Let's see whether you can catch this ghost.
I don't know, what's your ghost's diet and exercise plan?
That's right. You want to make sure you're well rested.
Do it for Dale, boys.
Yeah, boy.
Oh no! Pull, 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 pull. Ruin that nice bike. Yeah, Titus! Somebody get me a beer!
What happened?
Dude, I just bottom bracket a tree and got yeeted down the trail. That's what happened, Henry.
See, I came up short and then didn't fucking die. Do you want a PG version? That's the question.
Ronnie's iPhones.
What the
Maybe you should use
Angelo's gonna like comment on this, like, bro, what are y'all doing?
I don't feel like I should be swinging this at anything. Bro, I'm terrified.
Your question is, do you want to go at the same time or different times?
Baseball 60?
That's what I did.
Hey,
They're spinning.
Oh. I got that on video.
Fucking way. This is so
do you
embarrassing.
need to change the height?
I need to change the speed, dog.
Spot it.
Huh?
You just spot it.
Just rip off this sucks ass.
Come on, Ronnie.
This is why I didn't want to do this.
I don't like suck.
The back of the head.
Did you do slow pitch softball mix?
Yeah, I think that's more my sport, yeah. But you know what? I can hook myself through Is at the bottom?
There you go. One.
Home run, baby.
No, you probably got out on first base.
Thank you. Sure. Oh wow, we're rerouting, huh?
Yeah, there's a rider down.
Okay.
So, it might just be a while.
Okay.
I'll go this way.
Must look at line.
Rider coming.
Dude, it's definitely better.
Anything's better than what we were doing.
Yeah.
Looks like it's cleared out a ton. No! Party foul.
Let me show you guys how it's done now, right here.
That's a sick line.
There it is.
Now go off the drop, Flatty.
Rider coming.
Yep. Yeah, that's consistently not as bad as me fucking it up, so. You alright, bud?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I'm out of. Get back up there. Come on, bro.
What was that?
Hi, Corey. Hey. There was a rock in the middle of the line up there. I bet you clipped it and got off balance. So we're on the last practice run of the day. I think this is my number 3. Words are hard. They had a huge section of the track closed because another kid crashed. Same spot we saw a bit earlier. And we only got one practice run down the most terrifying part of the track, which is sketchy, to say the least. Also, pretty frustrating, you know, talking to the USAC officials and asked them if they kept that section of the track closed for all of practice, which they almost did, would we still have to race it, or would we get an extra practice or any of that? And they're like, yeah, no, we're not going to give you extra practice because we have a timeline to keep, which, like, I understand the timeline, but I think safety is a little more important in my opinion. So sending racers down a section of track they haven't ridden, not exactly safe. But here we go, back to the GoPro. I'm going to finish up this run.
Build in any gaps or anything. Okay. Point.
Do it for the last placers, baby.
Are you racing for USA cycling points or UCI points?
Is it not both?
No. Do you have a UCI
I've got
license?
both. I've got both.
You have both?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you racing for USA cycling points?
Yeah, we're all.
Everybody's all clustered.
Yeah. Whenever we end up at the hold, we all like do our warm ups to crescendo, and when we're told we've got 20 minutes, we're like, wait, no. All right, going on 5.
Going on 5.
Thanks, dude.
All right, Ronnie, it's 2:32:07. 2:32:07 for Ronnie.
No one got a clip.
Not a single clip.
Go! Go! Bryce Bike Park. USDH National going on for you.
Let's see. And it is Ben, the Quinn taking the top spot for right now, a 2:30.29. He gets the hot seat. Our first change for the pro at UCI. Ben is now in the hot seat as he's frantically trying to catch his breath over there.
Got to do the pedal and then you spin the thing around. Well, folks, I think we're here to wrap it up for the weekend. It was a really hard weekend for me. A lot of struggles. I think I had like 4 major crashes throughout the weekend. I had one the first lap of practice, which I didn't have on GoPro. And then a little bit later, there was a rock garden I was struggling with so hard. They called it Thread the Needle. I think it was on the trail called Waterboy here at Mountain Creek. And there was just a line over a rock that I just could not get. Drove me insane. It wasn't until race day that finally I realized some of the top guys had started taking this low line, went out there, checked it out. It was a no-brainer, genius line, rode great. Ended up doing that in my race round and just was able to go through there with minimal brakes, unlike the other line that we were trying all weekend that you basically had to be on your brakes slowing down if you ever wanted to have a chance of clearing it. My quali run, in the quali run I kind of went through all kinds of stuff. I had a line where I just gnarly hit a tree with my right shoulder. It's still sore from that. So another sapling adventure. I know the saplings are taking me out pretty bad these days. I don't know why. Me and Alexis shot a little day footage and you'll see me just plow into absolutely not a sapling, a very large tree. I've been getting offline and clipping trees here recently. But later in that same seeding run, after hitting a tree, I kind of got in my head all of a sudden and was like, oh God, push. And totally botched that rock garden I was struggling with. Had to literally get off my bike, run off of like a 3 or 4 foot drop on foot, which is not ideal. Jump back on my bike. And then at the end of the run, I just clinked a tree. I kind of clipped it with my front wheel, which threw my back wheel into it really hard and just yeeted me down the trail. I'm talking slingshot. So it took me a minute to gain on, see how my body felt, see if I was hurt. Luckily, nothing was really hurting me. Hurt my ego, repair my ego, go into the next day's practice without too much problems. I ended up putting down a clean race run. So I got down the mountain clean. I was fast at the top. I made a couple little mistakes here and there, nothing too noteworthy. I took it just baby slow where I crashed. I did not want to go down again. Sometimes you got to do that on a race weekend. You just got to pick your battles. This track was a battle that I wasn't ready to win. You know, this track had me feeling so defeated all weekend. I honestly didn't even really feel like videoing because I was really in my head. I don't know if I've ever had one section of trail make me feel more defeated in my life than the Thread the Needle section. It wasn't until I unlocked that low line that I felt like I could ever ride through it, which, you know, even as a pro level rider, I still feel defeated at times. Some tracks are hard and I honestly feel out of my depth. So don't feel defeated if the track feels hard. We all feel that way. It's just how you work through it and figure out how to get through those sections. Well, YouTube, thank you. Like, comment, subscribe, share it, or like don't, just watch it and enjoy it. Thanks, guys.